Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. So, I am Sitaram. So let me introduce myself. I am Sitaram from Market Star Securities Private Limited. So we basically create algos, different algos, and most of our algos are in Tretron. So in Tretron, most of the leading strategies are also from MarketStar, and thanks everyone for giving your support and faith, trust, everything to MarketStar. Okay, so today's topic is little bit worried topic. So this session is not mainly from my side that I want to share something, or I want to share some new logic or something like that. It is completely as per the user's request, as per the user's demand. This session I am conducting, and I'll just share few of the information, obviously related to the recent drawdown. ओके, रिसेंट ड्रॉडाउन के बारे में थोड़ा, बस ज्यादा नहीं, 5-10 मिनट के अंदर I'll just complete my things, and I'll be open for questions, because see, the current drawdown is not is little bit expected, but it is actually worse than the expectation. Okay, so whoever are the new trader, जितने भी new traders थे, उनके लिए तो this is first kind of experience होगा. Till August, not only the August, starting from the May month. So last time we had drawdown in the month of April. Okay, so in the month of April means let me share you the report card in the month of April. Okay, so I'll go to April 2000, April end. Okay, one second. Yeah, this one. Okay, so this was our this is our April month's card, and a couple of strategy were not running at that time, like index volatile vaccine positional was not there, index alone survivor was also not there at that time in the month of April. See, what was happening in the April. In the month of April, whatever our strategies, index parameter was there, then index volatile vaccine was also there, then couple of strategies were there. And if you can see what could have their result, in Nifty volatile vaccine we had minus 1.3%, index parameter we had minus 2%. So index parameter being the backbone of MarketStar, majority of the users have deployed index parameter in Tretron. In Tretron it has crossed more than 500. So how more than 500 happened? I'll tell you one more fact. In the month of April, when the drawdown phase happened, around 5 to 6% around drawdown, at that time also it happened. But at that time, what was the deployment in index parameter? At that time, IP deployment were only within 150. Within 150 was the deployment. So right now, a couple of days before, today the live deployments are 430 something. Okay, but 2-3 days before, 1 week before the drawdown, you have seen IP deployment crossed 550. So I just want to discuss, or I want to open this discussion with a positive note, how this journey from 150 to 550 happened. How the journey of IP live deployment from 150 in the month of April to September 15th, if you'll see, the live deployment became 550. So it is a growth of more than 3 times growth number of deployment. Why and how? The answer is simple. As soon as the strategy came out of the drawdown, whenever the strategy came out of the drawdown, we have done our last couple of changes in index parameter in the month of April 24th. Exactly the date, if I'll say, we have done the modification in IP, major modification, that was in the month of April, and that to April 24th. Okay, so down the line, if you'll see IP's result, in the month of May, it has delivered 9.5%. In the month of June also it delivered good. July, okay, 2%. August again 9%. Okay, so during this, after the month of April, where IP became negative, May, June, July, August, in the 4 months, IP has delivered more than 30%. IP has delivered more than 30% in this 4 months. This is not a joke. The strategy has done that, but how? Who have survived April? April month का जो drawdown आया था, वो महीने में जो survive करके आगे बढ़ा, उसको वो fruit मिला. उसको fruit मिला. So, what is the conclusion I want to draw here? Drawdown phase you cannot avoid. Whatever the strategy we are designing, all those strategies we are designing, or all the logics of the strategies we are developing depending upon the past data. So past data can be a reference. मतलब past data को use करके आप कुछ future अगर predict करना चाहते हो, future is always unpredictable. Past data is kind of a supportive data कि देखो भाई तुम अगर ऐसे ऐसे लॉजिक डेवलप करते ना तो तुमको इतना इतना प्रॉफिट होता. सो इट इज एन इंडिकेटिव थिंग. ड्रॉडाउन इज ए इंडिकेटिव थिंग. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द past data, whatever the market scenario, depending upon all the past market scenario, when we are creating the logics for the future, so when we say expected result is this thing, मतलब ये strategies हमें इतना expect करना चाहिए. Expectation अगर सही हो जाता है ना, दुनिया में कोई दुखी होता ही नहीं. Okay, in this world everybody will expect good thing, and if that good thing will happen, then nobody in this world will be sad. Okay, so expectation is one thing, but reality can be different. अब अप्रैल के बाद जब हमने आईपी को मॉडिफाई किया था, आफ्टर द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल व्हेन यू मॉडिफाइड आईपी, so at that time we have tested along with April month's results. Along with April month result, we have back tested our IP. What we understood, the current after the change, the IP would have survived in April month's drawdown also. The drawdown was under control, 4% drawdown in index premiometer over 2 years of backtested data. But again, I would say those backtested data were the reference, not the prediction or not the exact guarantee that drawdown will always remains within 4%. Now, it looked like the predictions were good. In the month of May, June, July, August, 4.5 months, it has done pretty well. Now, after September first week, internally, I was discussing with my partners in our market star team that what I feel, the way people are getting added from 150 to 550 deployment, that journey. So how this happened, it became, IP became a one-way traffic. भाई IP में पैसा लगा लो, पैसा आपको रिटर्न मिल जाएगा, लॉस तो होते ही नहीं, मंथ एंड तो ग्रीन होना ही है. So that kind of within last 4.5 months, within that 4.5 months, that kind of mentality has been created within the algo traders. Whatever you want to do, you just do, just deploy IP, it will give guaranteed profit kind of thing. But in the condition applied star mark thing, nothing, future is always unpredictable, nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. So just to set back, in the September first, after the September first week, I told to my team, we are very close to drawdown. I don't have any proof to show that, but this I have discussed multiple times. I don't know what is the means what kind of proof I can show that we are pretty close to drawdown, but the way it has given good amount of journey. So before to April, similar kind of thing happened in September and October. Okay, in September and October last year also we had faced 5% each drawdown, and then 4-5 months okay period, then again drawdown in the month of April, then again 4-5 months okay period. So this market operates in a cycle. This market, ये एक तो कोई ग्रो का या किसी का तो एडवर्टाइज आता है ना, ये मार्केट सबका है भाई, ऐसा कुछ तो ये मार्केट सबका है जो बोला जाता है, So market gives equal opportunity to buyer. There were questions in my group that the way IP is going success, the way your algos are doing well, all our option selling strategies are doing well, then in that case, the buyers will vanish from the Indian market. The answer is no. Buyers will not. Why buyers will vanish? ये market सबका है भाई. Market सबका है मतलब market gives equal opportunity to every strategy. To every strategy. If the strategy has some good potential, then definitely either it is a buying strategy or it is a selling strategy, depending upon the trader's mentality, depending upon the trader's behavior. Market runs in a cycle. The way market is trending, few people are asking or suggesting or requesting, few users in the group, you should introduce the directional strategies again. See, we learn from our mistake. We learn from our mistake. When you learn from your mistake, you are not supposed to repeat the mistake. After April month's drawdown, we have introduced our directional strategies. We have introduced our directional strategies. Okay. So these directional strategies I still run in my paper trade. Okay. So let me show you Alliceblue. Yeah, here it has been deployed from the beginning in offline mode. Okay. So I hope you can see my screen. So let me show you Bank Nifty directional. See, when all the strategies are going, all our non-directional strategies are going in drawdown, if you see this particular Bank Nifty directional weekly counter, where only on Friday it has given 6.93%. Isn't it jaw-dropping? Isn't it very attractive? भाई यही तो स्ट्रेटेजी चाहिए. सिंपल सी तो हम मांग रहे थे, यही तो स्ट्रेटेजी चाहिए था हमको. Add a directional strategy into your portfolio, and if during the bad phase of the non-directional strategies will work. Okay. But if you open the drop down, so there are 28 counters, means there are 28 weeks, means since last 6 months it has been deployed. Last 6 months it has been deployed. Okay, not 6 months, 5 months around it has been deployed from April onwards. Okay. So with 10x deployment, the deployments also remained same across all the counters. Okay. With 6 lakhs, it has given 1.28 lakhs. That too, it is in offline mode. So in online mode, maybe you can consider 1,20,000. So on 10 lakhs, 1,20,000 is around 12%. 12%, right? So no, sorry. On 6 lakhs, 1,20,000 means it is around 20%. So on this thing, over 5 months, if the directional strategy is given only 20%, it is not bad, but what is good in it also? It is not bad, but what is good in it? Because after April month, when we introduced our directional strategies also showed in the backtest, they have not given more than 20% drawdown. Okay. Users, I have said with a caution that users should not exceed the multipliers in directional strategies more. It can give you drawdown. I have said this in the group at least 50 to 100 times. Okay. So in the month of May and June, May mid to June, the directional strategies have given 40% drawdown. The directional strategies have given 40% drawdown. And that was unbearable pain. That was unbearable pain in the directional strategies. I remember in the month of June and July, all those directional users have claimed their adjustments, and entire May-June period where IP, IBB all were earning like anything, 8 to 10% on an average they were earning. So all those earnings were not coming to market stars profit sharing. Okay. So those are going as a loss adjustment. That kind of pain this directional strategies have given. That kind of pain the directional strategies are given. And finally, at the end of June, we have told, no, we cannot run these directional strategies because directional strategies have very high drawdown, 40% drawdown. Can can you trust that strategy? It will not give another 40% drawdown. So the same question have been asked by the users. What the question people are asking to me in the group. The $1 million question is, IP has already given 6%. Other non-directional strategies also given 4 to 5%. All the non-directional strategies are giving the drawdown. So the $1 million question is, what is the guarantee that drawdown will not be more? What is the guarantee that drawdown will not be more? And my answer is what I explained so far. Always the past drawdown as per the backtesting data, that is just a reference. The past drawdown data are just a reference or indicative figure which a trader should keep in mind. Okay, this much of risk is there in this system. That doesn't ensure that in future the drawdown will not go beyond 5% or 4% or 20%, whatever is the indicative past data drawdown. It can happen. The answer is, to be honest, I am giving a very practical answer. Right now, IP is standing at 6% drawdown. It can happen that the drawdown can rise to more 5-6% also. It can happen. You have to make sure, you have to understand this. This is the reality of the stock market. Nobody can predict anything in stock market. Whatever effort you can put, you can put. What I'm going to share now, what kind of effort I'm putting. Okay, that also I'll share. Okay, now this is what I ruled out, the possibility of adding directional strategy. Okay, I have ruled out possibility of reducing the multiplier because as I told, after April month, May, June, July, August, 30% growth we have seen. I have also explained within this 10 minutes time that after each 4-5 months, definitely one drawdown period comes. I have also told you that market runs in a cycle. Ye market sabka hai. Market runs in a cycle and everyone gets fair chance to perform. Okay. Now, considering all these facts, that whatever we have discussed now let's discuss about what happened. What happened to the market, which was performing very well, and it was traders started thinking that everything is in their hand. Just deploy money, deploy algo, take the money to your bank. So with that mindset, when everything was going smoothly, what happened to the market? So to answer this, I want to show you this Nifty Bank chart. Okay. When we have created our strategies have an assumption. What was the assumption? That whenever market opens, we are entering. So if the market will open, then market will capture a trend. Mostly market used to follow the same trend. Okay. We all, after getting last year September, October drawdown, we understood, no, it cannot be possible that market will continue always the same trend. Market can reverse. So the way we have modified our strategies after September and October last year, it can also manage reversal, one big trending, then one big reversal also it can handle. For example, market opened here at 41,098. Then market became 41,098 to 41,150. No. This is the low is 40,800. Yeah, 40,800 to 41,157. That means already 1%. Within half an hour, 1% market moved. So it is a trend. Usually we had to assume that this is the trend and we have to just follow the trend and we'll get very good amount of money. So that assumption has been changed last year. And then see, the market has moved downside. Right now, the way our strategy has been coded, most of the strategy can handle this kind of trend and then trend reversal. This kind of thing our strategies can handle after March and after April month drawdown, after September month drawdown. Sorry, last year. Okay. So now what it is happening, you can see continuously, not even single day, 1 day or 2 day. Last 7 sessions, we got 7 out of 7 sessions like this only. Okay. If you can see trend, reversal, small trend again, then bigger reversal again. Okay. Or you can say the downslide is being double confirmed. One confirmation, small reversal, then double confirmation, and then huge kind of reversal. कैसे handle कर लें भाई इसको? You have to do the adjustment, right? If the put and if you are holding put, the way market is for, so first of all, see here, if you are holding put and call, initially, the way market opened and market jumped up 300 points, your call is giving huge kind of loss. You will cut the call or you will hold it unlimited time. You will cut the call, right? As soon as you cut the call, market started going down, and you might have seen all our strategies are equipped to re-enter the whatever lost leg or new leg it re-enters. After re-entering, then put has been, for sure, with this downfall, put has been exited. So 2-3 adjustments we have already done. How many adjustments your strategy will be coded? You cannot do unlimited kind of adjustment. In that case, your number of trades will go like anything. But user doesn't want that many number of trades. That many adjustments also user doesn't want. So we have to control, because at the end of the day, there will be many normal days, and with this many adjustments, your number of trades and cost will increase. Without number of, means by limiting the number of adjustment, how can you handle this kind of reversal? Practically impossible. Practically impossible. And just to not to be surprised, again one more reversal. When I'm saying reversal, I am not talking 100 points or 200 point reversal in Bank Nifty. So this reversal is from 40,361 to 40,930, almost 600 point, 2% reversal, 1.5% reversal at 40,000 level, 1.5% reversal, and then 40,930 to again 40,566, again 700, 1%, more than 1%. How you can handle this kind of thing? It is practically impossible. So the way we have coded right now, the strategies are coded to handle one trend and one reversal. Multiple trend and reversal, our strategy has not coded at all to handle those kind of scenarios. And our assumption is within a month, 4-5 such days will come. Those 4-5-6 days will be our lost days. But continuously, nobody has expected this. If you see this, see, yesterday, Friday was again one more difficult days where market continued the trend, and the premiums were also not declining. If anybody, any index volatile vaccine user will be there, so they might have cried like anything. Okay, we are a semi-directional strategy. After falling, we have exited the put leg, and we are holding the call leg. 40,300 leg we are holding. Market went down 600 points. Market went down 600 points away. Still, the call premiums were not melting. Okay, so in that case, how an option seller can earn? Reversal, not premium, not at all eroding. Same Wednesday structure here also on Tuesday. Okay, it went down, adjustment, and then it went up, again do some adjustment, then huge downfall, again do some adjustment, again huge up. How many adjustments we can do? Not possible. You have to book loss. Okay, similar kind of thing. Okay, again trend, gap up, trend, positive direction. Okay, we are holding positive positive side mindset. Again more upside. Somehow by this time our strategies would have made green, and then huge downfall, and with the downfall increase the premium. Impossible to handle. मतलब लिखा ही नहीं है, ऐसे हमने कोड किया ही नहीं कि ये स्ट्रेटेजी ऐसे डेज आएगा, एंड वी अंडरस्टूड कि ये दिन में अपन को लॉस होना ही होना है. The most unfortunate part is it is happening since last 7 days. It is happening every day. It happened every day. See, trend, and then huge reversal. Okay, and in between that also big candles, small reversals are formed. Okay, huge downside, huge upside, huge downside, huge upside. Okay, are you getting what I mean to say? Okay, so I am openly saying our strategies are not equipped to handle this kind of scenario. Okay, so this is the basically I am not trying to justify a thing. I am just trying to share the facts. Okay, and we are just strategic coder. We are not astrologer. We have analyzed the market. We have seen the past data, and finally, oh shit. Wait. Okay, and finally we are restricting so that this kind of reversal also yeah, now it's okay, and I'll clear also. Okay, let it be. So finally we are trying to ensure that in case of reversal also we can earn something. So this is what the reality was. Okay, now we understood market's range is being big. So, and along with the bigger kind of reversal, it was why the drawdown happened, we understood. Okay, now what is next? What is next? To do this kind of reversal, many people have also told in the group that since IP became largely deployed, so if a strategy is less deployed, the strategy also struggling. So this fact also wrong. Many people have so told that since in the magazine algo trading stuff has been published, after that it is happening. First of all, understand. Okay, this point is taken. This point is taken. So algo trading stuffs are rising. So market has to do something so that people who are more overconfident that in algo they can earn like anything. So now they can 1 second. Yeah. So now they can understand that no, it is not the true. Even market can give you some kind of losses also. So that can be happen. But try to understand this kind of trend building in Bank Nifty or Nifty index, basically in stocks, I can understand. To build this kind of trend and to break this kind of reversal, huge kind of money is needed. Huge amount of money, thousands of crores of fund needed. It is not a schoolboy game that 2-3 बंदों ने ग्रुप बनाया और मार्केट को मूव कर दिया. ऐसा नहीं होता. So who have good amount of capital, they know how much responsibility they have. Okay, so it is not that easy the way retail subscribers or retail traders they think that भाई ऑपरेटर ने गेम खेल लिया हमारे साथ. ऐसे नहीं होता. मार्केट सबका है और ये मार्केट में हर किसी को मौका मिलता है. Okay, I am repeating the same statement again and again. So this kind of volatility phase are not always. These are expected in a while. Maybe for last 6-7 days it has happened. So what we can expect? We can expect, literally as per my experience I am saying, we can expect a good bounce back of our algo strategies. Okay, that's what it happened. Again, I'm not guaranteeing anything. Okay, what I have seen in my past, same thing I'm trying to communicate, that our strategies have high probability to bounce back down the line. Okay, down the line in upcoming days. But if you can see this thing, okay, let's see the September month's performance so far. Okay, so if you see this, we are standing September at -2.5% overall. Who are running individual strategies from the September month, they might be within 5% drawdown. Okay, who have started just 1 week back, I can say I am feeling sorry for you guys who have started 8 to 10 days back, but we cannot do anything. We didn't know that market is about to go for a drawdown. In that case, we would have told to users, please don't fresh deploy, you should have avoid, because market is about to give a drawdown. So we didn't know that. So you have to accept it. whatever we have discussed till now, we have to accept it that drawdown is an inevitable, means कोई भी avoid नहीं करे, unavoidable thing. Drawdown आएगा ही आएगा कोई भी system में. Okay. So whatever the loss you are seeing right now, there are high probability that this loss will go down in next 4 to 5 sessions. The way premiums are high, I know RBI meet is there. There are a couple of more events are there. It will not be that easy. It will not be that easy. But if you will see the current drawdown in this our dashboard, so IP's drawdown is almost 6.5%, which is alarming. So far, I am using IP since 1 year and 3 months, and I have never seen more than 5% drawdown. This is the first time I am seeing this drawdown. Okay, and when I'm telling IP, then Bank Nifty Premium Meter, Nifty Premium Meter, and Bank Nifty Money Miner. All these have similar kind of strategy. Okay, so index premium meter, Bank Nifty part is Bank Nifty Premium Meter, Bank Nifty Premium Meter plus OTM hedges in Bank Nifty Money Miner, to be honest. Okay, so these 4 strategies are similar kind of strategy. So these 4 strategies are struggling. These 4 strategies are struggling. When I tried to improvise, what I understood, market is trading with a high range. Okay, market is trading with a high range, point number 1. Point number 2, since market is giving bigger reversals, so put and call both premiums are not eroding very easily, because the option buyers know reversal will come. So we need not to worry. We need not to exit our position. More is the option buying will happen, more premiums will increase, and more premium will increase means option sellers will be in trouble. Okay, so since the reversals are very frequently happening, so option premium erosion also not happening. I am just telling you last Thursday on expiry thing, we have deployed, I mean, there are a couple of users who have deployed algo. Yeah, 1 second, I'll just stop my screen, and because I want to share something to you. Just give me a moment. Okay, so all these are data, because when you are trading in your own profile or in your own account, so you might not be understanding all these things, what is happening. So you might be thinking only for you this loss is happening, or for everyone it is happening. You are not able to understand what is going wrong. So I am just trying to explain different data points so that you will not be panic. All the main reason of this session is to decrease or to make you guys understand that what is happening, so that your your panicness, okay, your panicness or your worry will come little bit down. Okay, so I'm just trying to, what I'm doing right now, I'm just trying to log in to couple of users account, okay, assisted users account, so that I can share one last fact and I'll conclude. Okay, so one account, just 3 accounts I'm opening. Okay, one more account I'll open. Okay, this one. Just give me a moment. Okay, 2 accounts open, one more account also I'll open, that is this account. Okay, so let me share my screen again. So yeah, so yeah, if I'll show you this account strategies deployed. So I just want to show you IP deployment. I hope it is not archive. Yeah. So if so this is Friday IP. Okay, Friday IP, it has given full stop loss. This is just Friday IP. But if you will see this IP, this is Thursday IP. Now you will ask me, Thursday it has given only 1,000 rupees. How it has it has got this much of profit. So the very simple thing is this has been deployed post 12 o'clock. Okay. So post means second half of the thing. And still this four things, if you see after deployment of after 12 o'clock, what has been deployed, that has given again 2,500 stop loss. Again 2,500 stop loss in the first entry. But still the bigger kind of profit, what happened that you can see after 120. After 120, when the strategy entered again, second time entry happened, that has given very good amount of profit. Similar kind of thing happened here too. Okay. If you see this thing, this is Friday, Thursday counter. If you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, first 4 legs, even after 12 o'clock, we have entered 12:15 around. Again, IP hit stop loss, but the majority kind of profit, whatever you are seeing, that profit happened post 120 when IP re-entered second entry. The strategy has given very good amount of profit. Okay. One more example, and I'll draw a conclusion from here. Okay. The 63,000 profit, whatever you are seeing, 1.29%. So same happened. The loss, the profit actually happened 120 entry. Okay. 120 entry. The profit happened. What I'm trying to explain here, even though premium erosion is happening, at the end of the market hour, when most of the stop loss are getting hit. When most of the stop loss are getting hit, premium erosion is happening. That is another point what I observed. So we observe the data and accordingly we have to act. Okay. Expansion, the range has been expanded a lot. Premium is not eroding too much because people, traders are expecting the reversals. And finally, since options premium has to decrease, it is decreasing very much at the end. It is decreasing very much at the end. Depending upon these facts, what is the conclusion we can draw? We have to equip our strategy in such a way that it will stand on this volatility without giving full stop loss. If our strategy can stand within this volatility without giving full stop loss, then only we can earn some money. Earning money in option selling strategy became very, very difficult, and we have to take up that challenge. Understood my point? I have explained all with the data. Okay. So finally, what we understood, nowadays, since premium is not eroding, even premiums are increasing after our entry. So we have to understand how our IP, index premium meter, and why I'm focusing more on index premium meter, because maximum deployments are there. And secondly, the drawdown is 6%, crossed 5%, which is again alarming for me. So that is why I am more focusing on index premium meter family, in fact. Okay. So the conclusion point is, the way premiums are expanding, by the time if our stop loss is gone, so definitely will not be able to earn at the end whatever premium erosion is happening. Okay. So that is why instead of 2,500, this thing I have already explained in the group, I am explaining again. So instead of keeping 2,500 is the strict stop loss, whereas our strategy is 5,000 stop loss, right? In our index premium meter, our strategy is 5,000 stop loss. So instead of keeping entry-wise stop loss, we are keeping entire strategy-wise stop loss from Monday onwards. The code has been changed. You will see this as the first change. Across the strategy-wise, there will be stop loss instead of 2,500 per entry stop loss. Because when 2,500 stop loss will hit, we have window of only remaining 2,500, and by that time we are waiting and we are trying to enter again. Okay, but by that time our second entry will happen. If market will move again one more time, then we are just giving up. Okay, instead of that, we should give ample amount of chance to our first entry itself, because our first entry happens very early in the morning, 9:20, 9:16 to 9:25. So our entry is happening where maximum premiums we are collecting. So if somehow we can adjust our first entry itself, if it can survive, then we will get ample amount of chance to get the premium erosion benefit. Because of that, halfway we are not giving up at 2,500. Monday onwards, we'll have 5,000 stop loss. Entire strategy wise, that will be our day stop loss. It will not give up at 2,500. That is change number one. There is one more small change. Okay. Another change is right now we are dealing with Nifty and Bank Nifty. So for first entry, there is the second minor change what I'm about to tell you. So when your since we are not restricting our stop loss to 2,500, so we are managing Nifty and Bank Nifty in a different way. The way index volatile vaccine, the way the pairs are Nifty pair and Bank Nifty pair are managed differently as per their stop loss, as per their re-entry. They have been operated differently. Similarly, in IP also, you will see from Monday, if Bank Nifty is giving loss, we will just exit Bank Nifty. Same kind of adjustment will happen, similar kind of adjustment, whatever you are seeing, price-based adjustment. Same, all those, if somebody has noticed the calculations and all also, I am openly saying I have not changed any such calculation. The price-based adjustment, whatever your own IP, my own IP was giving me those adjustments, all those adjustments will remain same. But you might have seen how IP works. IP enters, IP exits if loss happens, those legs. And if again market reverses, it re-enters, and after that it gives up. 2 times it has given a chance to the strategy. If market is too much volatile, it quits. Okay, so same kind of thing will happen. But right now the thing is happening, Nifty and Bank Nifty together they are giving up. Whereas I have seen multiple times, like on Friday. On Friday, Bank Nifty was very much reactive. So Bank Nifty, it exited very early, but Nifty was in pair. Nifty was in pair when our 2,500 stop loss hit. Okay. And Nifty pair got exited around 1:30 p.m. So by that time, if any reversal would have happened, the Nifty pair would have got very good amount of premium erosion. But since our Nifty and Bank Nifty are running together in our IP, so we have missed in, I have checked the past data. Why? See, when I'm creating the strategy, I know where and all the tuning required. So that is second tuning. Since Nifty and Bank Nifty are operating together, whenever stop loss is going, it is going entire stop loss. It is, if Nifty pair is even performing, we are not considering his performance. Or if Bank Nifty is giving erosion, if total 2,500 loss happened, then instead of cutting down the non-performing pair, let's say Nifty is giving loss, Nifty pair is giving loss. So we should cut only Nifty pair, right? Why to cut entire strategy? Because Bank Nifty is still paired. As long as we are paired, we have ample amount of chance to earn premium erosion. Correct. So instead of giving ample amount of chance to Bank Nifty, we are cutting entire strategy. So that improvement also you will see that we have separated Nifty and Bank Nifty. So entire strategy wise, adjustment wise, entry wise, everything is same. Just they will while cutting the legs, since there is no 2,500 stop loss, it is strategy wise stop loss. So it will work individual. If Bank Nifty is giving loss, Bank Nifty pair will exit. If Nifty pair will giving loss, Nifty pair will exit. After exiting, if market will reverse, then, or if market will settle down, individually again that pair will, a new pair will come for Nifty or Bank Nifty. Similar kind of thing, you can correlate whoever are using index volatile vaccine. It works in the same way in index volatile vaccine. Okay. So this improvement we are about to, we have already done in index premium meter, Bank Nifty premium meter, Nifty premium meter, and Bank Nifty money miner. In all 4 strategies, we have done this change as per our tuning parameter. There are all total, I have noted, there are 12 tuning parameters in index premium meter strategy. 12 tuning parameters. So depending upon the market conditions, which parameter to be tuned, only I tune those parameters. Okay, it is not altogether a new strategy. It is just called as tuning. Okay, so that's it from my side. I am opening the window for questions. Okay, so you can ask any kind of question. You can raise your hand. Okay, I will allow you to speak. You can raise your hand. So all participants are requested to raise your hand. So first hand raise happened from Somen. Sir, please ask your question. Unmute and ask.
हाँ हेलो सीताराम जी. सो आई हैव वन
बोलिए सर.
क्वेश्चन. सो
Yes,
वो
sir,
जब
tell me.
रिवर्सल होता है ना, तो क्या होता है कि एंट्री जो लिया था, री एंट्री होता है, वो बहुत आईटीएम हो जाता है. मतलब एंट्री तो मतलब जो लेग का कट करके री एंट्री होता है आईटीएम, और बाद में जब फिर से वो अपने डायरेक्शन में जाता है तो फिर से वो अच्छा खासा लॉस देता है.
वो
तो
नहीं होगा अभी. वो कर दिया ना मैंने एडजस्टमेंट. मैंने
अच्छा,
बोला.
तो वो क्या लेग को आप उस एटीएम पे ही ओपन करते हैं?
So till
हाँ,
now it
हाँ,
is so as I told, IPE main logic, since it has performed since 1.5 years, I am not going to change entire IP. Okay,
okay.
so it will re-enter in the same leg, but after re-entering, if again it will give loss after re-entry, second time reversal will happen, immediately it will exit and it will re-enter a fresh ATM. Okay, so
Okay.
now what is happening, it will exit entire Nifty and Bank Nifty both, and it will wait for more time, and then fresh entry will happen once market will settle down. So now what will happen, first time it will re-enter the same leg, second time onwards it will take a fresh entry.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So next question, Mr. Parikh, PK Parikh, please unmute and ask. PK Parikh, sir, please unmute कीजिए और क्वेश्चन पूछिए. So I think he has some trouble. I'll go to next question. Praveen Dhingra, sir, please unmute and ask the question.
हेलो सीताराम सर.
बोलिए सर. गुड इवनिंग.
गुड इवनिंग सर. सर मेरा 2 क्वेश्चंस हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपने अभी अपने ब्रीफिंग में बताया कि आईपी जो फ्लैग स्ट्रेटजी है वो पिछले 4 महीने में 100 से 500 डिप्लॉयमेंट गया है. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन इस पे ये है कि जितना भी मैं एल्गोरिथम को रीड कर रहा हूँ, अंडरस्टैंड कर रहा हूँ, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट एल्गोरिथम्स और ये जो सिस्टम है, दिस इज लाइक ए सीक्रेट. मोर पीपल नो इट, इट विल नो मोर बी ए सीक्रेट. सो मेरा क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ये है कि आपके माइंड में क्या थ्रेशोल्ड है कि आप कितना डिप्लॉयमेंट तक इसको अलाउ करोगे. रीजन इज एट 916 अभी 1000 लोड का ऑर्डर जा रहा है, कल 1000 लोग इसको डिप्लॉय कर रहे हैं, तो 3000 लोड का ऑर्डर इकट्ठा जाएगा. मोर स्लीपेज, मोर इश्यूज. तो आपके माइंड में क्या प्लान है कि इसका क्या थ्रेशोल्ड है और क्या सिम्टम आप देख रहे हो?
इसका आंसर कर देता हूँ. या इसका आंसर कर देता हूं, फिर दूसरे क्वेश्चन पे जाएंगे आपका. ठीक है. तो इसका आंसर ये है कि जब भी हमारा जो भी डिप्लॉयमेंट होता है, मतलब जब एंट्री हो जाता है, तो यूजुअली आई सी द आउटपुट. जो भी हमारा एक्शन हो गया, उस एक्शन का पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव इफेक्ट हमको कब पता चलेगा? आउटपुट देख के पता चलेगा. तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे फ्रॉम ऑल डिप्लॉयमेंट स्टेप, हमारा एक हर क्रिएटर को एक्सेसिबल होता है ऑल डिप्लॉयमेंट, जहां पे कि हम सारे यूजर्स का डिप्लॉयमेंट देख सकते हैं. फ्रॉम ऑल डिप्लॉयमेंट टैब आई गो एंड चेक हाउ मच इज द वेरिएंस. मतलब मान लो कि मुझे अगर 1% प्रॉफिट हुआ है या 1% लॉस हुआ है, जो भी हुआ है, मेरे पीएनएल के साथ कितने परसेंटेज ऑफ द लोगों का पीएनएल मैच करता है. राइट नाउ अराउंड 85% people's PNL are matching whatever I am saying, whatever I am giving, I am getting. When I am saying 85% of the people's PNL is matching, that is not as per 1 day or 2 day, at least for a week or 10 days, little bit larger period अगर लूं, तो 80 to 85% लोगों का मेरे साथ मैच करता है. मेरे साथ मैच करता है कि मतलब we are on the same page. So whatever PNL wise, it is not creating any much difference. That is point number 1. Point number 2 is performance wise. Performance wise, also it has given last month only, August month also 400, 450, 500 deployment it was there in the August month also. August month में भी 8.8% का रिटर्न मिला है आईपी में, तो वहां परफॉर्मेंस वाइज भी उतना कुछ डेंजरस फैक्ट मुझे दिखा नहीं. थर्ड थिंग इज द स्लिपेज पार्ट. स्लिपेज मैं कैसे मेजर करता हूं? स्लिपेज पेपर ट्रेड में देखता हूं, ये सबसे इजीएस्ट तरीका रहता है टू कंसिडर द स्लिपेज. हमारी सारी स्ट्रेटेजी पेपर ट्रेड में भी डिप्लॉयड है जस्ट टू मेजर द स्लिपेज. पेपर ट्रेड में तो कोई वॉल्यूम नहीं रहता, पेपर ट्रेड में कुछ नहीं. पेपर ट्रेड तो डायरेक्ट ऑन द टाइम जो भी प्राइस होता है वो प्राइस के को फेच करके दिखा देता है. व्हेन आई कंपेयर फ्रॉम पेपर ट्रेड टू लाइव ट्रेड, पेपर ट्रेड और लाइव ट्रेड का परफॉर्मेंस अगर सिमिलर है तो भी हमें कुछ कंसर्निंग केस नहीं, मतलब ज्यादा कुछ टेंशन लेने की कोई बात ही नहीं है, क्योंकि विदाउट वॉल्यूम और विद वॉल्यूम अगर सेम ही रिजल्ट आ रहा है देन ऑल्सो नथिंग टू वरी. ओके, तो मेरा इंडिकेटर यही रहेगा आगे चल के भी. अगर पेपर ट्रेड और लाइव ट्रेड का ज्यादा कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं आ रहे ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ द मंथ, मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमें कुछ कंसर्न करने की जरूरत है. फिर भी दो बैकअप प्लान्स ऑलरेडी हैं हमारे पास. एक बैकअप प्लान है कि 10x मल्टीप्लायर से ऊपर जिसका भी मल्टीप्लायर है उसको हम एक नई स्ट्रेटेजी, एक आईपी का कॉपी बना दें और आईपी का मे बी 2-3 सेकंड इधर उधर कर दें एंट्री. ओके, सो दैट स्लिपेज नहीं लगेगा लोगों को. ठीक है, तो ऐसे कॉपी बना के अलग अलग कर दें सेपरेट. ये एक प्लान था, पर उसके अलावा मैंने एक और अच्छा प्लान मुझे दिखा है कि आई विल क्रिएट वन इंडेक्स मनी माइनर. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि who uses IP along with OTM hedges. Right now, since OTM hedge strategies are different strategy, there is no way we can understand कि वो OTM hedge अगर एक यूजर यूज करता है तो मार्केट स्ट्रेटेजी के लिए यूज किया या किस स्ट्रेटेजी के लिए यूज किया वो हमें पता नहीं है. इसलिए हम उसका OTM hedge में जो भी लॉस होता है हम उसको कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं. पर अभी भी बहुत सारे लोग IP and OTM hedge they are working, they are using. So index money miner will be index premium and OTM hedge together in one strategy. So कुछ deployments उधर चले जाएंगे, जो जो OTM hedge यूज करने वाले यूजर है उधर चले जाएंगे. There will be another version of the IP which will be running in the same kind of concept, but along with IP वो स्ट्रेटेजी में ओवरनाइट पोजीशंस भी रहेंगे. तो आईपी ओवरनाइट विल बी आल्सो इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. तो जो लोग आईपी और ओवरनाइट दोनों एक साथ यूज करते हैं वो लोग उधर शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे. ओके, और रह जाएगा हमारा आईपी जो कि जैसा चल रहा है वैसे ही चलने लगेगा. ठीक है, तो ऐसे करके हम डिप्लॉयमेंट्स को शिफ्ट कर देंगे. जब डिप्लॉयमेंट स्प्लिट हो जाएगा तो ऑब्वियसली स्लिपेज भी कम हो जाएगा. तो आगे चल के मान लो कि 1000 के ऊपर जाएगा तभी हमारा पेपर ट्रेड और लाइव ट्रेड में डिफरेंस आना चालू होगा. तो उस केस में जब 3 पार्ट हो जाएंगे आईपी के तो एक एक में फिर से 1000 का हमें कैप मिल जाएगा. तो ये हमारा अभी का प्लान है.
सर इसमें आपने पहला ही पॉइंट बोला कि अभी 85% यूजर का अलाइन कर रहा है आपके स्टैंडर्ड डिप्लॉयमेंट्स के साथ. तो आपके माइंड में क्या है जब ये 80, 75, 70, 60 क्या अलार्मिंग है आपके दिमाग में कि जिस टाइम ये इतना वेरिएंस आ जाएगा? क्योंकि
देखो ये डिफरेंस तब आएगा जब बहुत ज्यादा स्लिपेज आने लगेगा. बहुत ज्यादा स्लिपेज लगेगा तो पहले 100 यूजर्स के लिए, मतलब मान लो कि 1000 या 2000 डिप्लॉयमेंट के बाद ये अलार्मिंग कंडीशन आने वाला है. सो फॉर 400 पीपल सम प्राइस and huge different price other 400 people will get, and huge different price other 400 people will get. So like that if it will happen, so definitely that will be alarming position. तो ये alarming position हमें पेपर ट्रेड और लाइव ट्रेड के साथ हम कंटिन्यूसली मैच करते हैं. आज कितना डिफरेंस हुआ, ओवर ए वीक कितना डिफरेंस हुआ, ये सारी चीजें हमारे बिहाइंड द सीन हम यूजुअली मॉनिटर करते हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड द मैकेनिज्म. तो ये सारी चीजें अगर हो रहा है तो डेफिनेटली विल टेक एक्शन. जैसे कि मैंने बताया बैकअप प्लान तो रेडी है.
ओके, सो इन बैकअप प्लान आई थिंक मेन पॉइंट वुड बी द टाइमिंग. क्योंकि अगर 3 स्ट्रेटजी आप बनाओ या 5 बनाओ, उनका टाइमिंग अगर उतना है 9:16 या 9:25, इट विल नॉट मेक एनी
सेकंड इधर उधर करेंगे. अभी कुछ जब करने का टाइम आएगा तो सॉलिड प्लान भी बनेगा. अभी तो ओवरऑल एक खाली पिक्चर है. ठीक है, पिक्चर जब रेडी हो जाएगा पब्लिश होने के, रिलीज होने के लिए, तो डेफिनेटली अच्छा क्लैरिटी के साथ समझ में आएगा कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी आर गोइंग टू डू.
ओके सर, मेरा दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि हमारे पास ट्रायो में आईपी, आईबीवी और आईएएस है. मैं पिछले 1.5 महीने से इनको यूज कर रहा हूँ. तो मुझे तो जो समझ में आया, तीनों स्ट्रेटजी मोर और सिमिलर ऑब्वियसली सेलिंग है, बट इन तीनों का मोर और लेस रिजल्ट सेम आता है. आई मीन अगर एक दिन फेल होती हैं तो ऑलमोस्ट तीनों होती हैं, और पॉजिटिव आता है तो तीनों का पॉजिटिव आता है,
ना,
तो ये एक दूसरे की
ये
कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी कैसे है ये?
ये इसमें मैं एग्री नहीं कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मैं आपको डाटा के साथ, क्योंकि देखो मैं जो भी बोलता हूँ ना, विदाउट डाटा तो मैं कुछ देखता ही नहीं हूँ कभी, ठीक है? तो लेट
आई
मी
एग्री
शेयर
सर,
यू।
मैं भी सर डाटा का ही हूँ,
हाँ,
एंड आई आल्सो बिलीव ऑन डेटा, दैट्स इट।
करेक्ट करेक्ट, तो आपको यहाँ पे समझ में आ जाएगा। तो एक सेकंड रुको, कुछ एक और होगा। हाँ, ओके, तो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे 3,10,000 के कैपिटल में, ये खाली आईपी है, इंडेक्स प्रीमियटर 1x में मैंने लिया है। तो इसका ड्रॉडाउन अगर देखोगे, अभी अभी पहले 4.3% हुआ करता था, नाउ 6.3 तक चला गया है ड्रॉडाउन। ओके, रिसेंट ड्रॉडाउन। सो 1x आईपी में 6.3% है। इसके साथ अभी अगर आप 1x इंडेक्स वोलेटाइल वैक्सीन ऐड करोगे, ओके, देन यू विल सी द ड्रॉडाउन बिकेम 5.3%। अगर ये कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं होते तो 1% ड्रॉडाउन घटा कैसे? ठीक
नहीं,
है,
मैं एग्री कर गया, मतलब
आईपी जे मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको।
उसका रीजन ये है कि जो मुझे समझ में आया कि आईपी मान लो 4,000 का लॉस दे रहा है, उस दिन आईबीबी ने हमको 3,000 का दे दिया, ऑब्वियसली 1,000 कम दिया, तो ऑब्वियसली ड्रॉडाउन
तो
कम
कम दिया ना,
होना
जैसे
शुरू
कि
हो जाएगा।
फ्राइडे की बात आप देख लो, फ्राइडे के दिन आईपी ने पूरा 5,000 का स्टॉप लॉस दिया, जबकि आईबीबी तो 500 रुपए प्लस में क्लोज हुआ।
मतलब मैं भी कह रहा डिफरेंस बहुत नॉमिनल है इनके अंदर आपस में।
तो और कितना चाहिए? 5.30 हो जाएगा क्या? वो तो नहीं होने वाला ना
सर
कभी ड्रॉडाउन।
मैं आपकी
आप कोई
बात
भी
समझ
सिस्टम
गया
का,
हूँ।
आप कोई भी सिस्टम का ड्रॉडाउन को जीरो तो नहीं कर सकते। जीरो कर सकते हो क्या? आप घटा
नहीं,
सकते हो। कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी अगर होगा, you can reduce the drawdown, but you cannot make the drawdown a zero. If you add index alone survivor 1x also I have added, so it has further came down to 4.7%. तो drawdown घट तो रहा है। That means अगर एक दिन अगर कोई गंदा परफॉर्मेंस कर रहा है, दूसरा, अब देखो, आप आईपी आईबीबी और आईएस की बात छोड़ के कोई भी स्ट्रेटेजी आप देख लो, दो स्ट्रेटेजीज आर नॉट परफॉर्मिंग। सो अगर आप सितंबर की मंथ की बात करोगे, डेफिनेटली यू विल फील लाइक भाई मार्केट अच्छा हो तो तीनों एक साथ ही परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, मार्केट गंदा हो तो तीनों परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। फॉरगेट अबाउट एंटायर सितंबर, आप खाली फ्राइडे की बात देखो, आईबीबी प्लस चला गया, आईपी और आईएस ठुक गए, तो ये तीनों का ड्रॉडाउन तो कम हो गया ना। ऐसे कई सारे दिन आपको मिलेंगे अगर आप माइन्यूटली, नॉट ओनली 1.5 मंथ डाटा, अगर ज्यादा डाटा देखोगे आपको कई सारे दिन मिलेंगे कि किसी दिन एलोन सर्वाइवर पॉजिटिव हो गया, किसी दिन आईपी पॉजिटिव हो गया, तो दे एक्चुअली कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर। ठीक है, अब कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि ड्रॉडाउन को हम खींच के जीरो ही कर दें। वी कैन रिड्यूस द ड्रॉडाउन, वी कैन नॉट मेक इट जीरो।
ओके, ठीक है, मतलब आपका इसमें मेजरमेंट, जो की मेजरमेंट हुए है कि तीनों को अगर कॉम्बिनेशन में किया जाए तो ड्रॉ डाउन में 1 और 2% का आपको सेफर साइड मिलता है, बट ऑब्वियसली एट द सेम टाइम आई थिंक आपके आरओई में भी फर्क पड़ेगा फिर उससे,
आरओई में बिल्कुल फर्क पड़ेगा,
वो कम हो जाएगा फिर।
तो आरओई का, इसका एवरेज आरओई 6.9% आ रहा है, जबकि इंडिविजुअल आईपी का 8 to 9% ऑन एन एवरेज दिखता है अकॉर्डिंग टू लास्ट 2 ईयर डाटा। तो वहां पे भी फर्क पड़ा है 1%, 1.5% का। तो ऐसे देखो, अब हर कुछ सब कुछ, आप अगर कार खरीदने के लिए जाते हो तो कार में दो अगर एयरबैग है सेफ्टी फीचर, तो उसका रेट कम होता है, 4 एयरबैग का रेट बढ़ जाता है, 6 एयरबैग का और बढ़ जाता है। तो कॉस्ट तो ज्यादा देना पड़ेगा ना अगर सेफ्टी फीचर चाहिए तो।
नहीं, ठीक है, दिस वे ऑफ कैलकुलेशन आई अंडरस्टैंड कि आप इस वे में इस डेटा को एनालाइज कर रहे हैं। मैं दूसरे वे में कर रहा था कि जब ड्रॉ डाउन वाले डेज होते हैं तीनों ही ड्रॉ डाउन में जाते हैं, चाहे कम जाते हैं,
फ्राइडे की बात कर लो,
हैं।
सामने सामने एग्जांपल है फ्राइडे का, उसमें तीनों ड्रॉ डाउन पे नहीं गए थे ना।
हाँ, एक 500 रुपए प्लस में रहा मान लेते हैं, ठीक है।
हाँ, तो ड्रॉ डाउन फेज की अगर बात करोगे, ड्रॉ डाउन फेज जो आता है वो एक मार्केट फेज होता है। मार्केट फेज में तो नॉट ओनली मार्केट स्टार स्ट्रेटेजी, आप सारे मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रेड स्ट्रेटेजीज आर गेटिंग हिटेड बैडली। तो इसमें ड्रॉ डाउन फेज होता है मार्केट के लिए होता है, कोई स्ट्रेटेजी के बेसिस पे नहीं होता है। ड्रॉ डाउन 1-2 दिन का ड्रॉ डाउन समझ में आता है कि स्ट्रेटेजी रिलेटेड है, पर ड्रॉ डाउन फेज जो होता है वो मार्केट का फेज होता है, वो कोई स्ट्रेटेजी का फेज नहीं होता है।
ठीक है सर, और सर एक छोटा सा क्वेरी ये कि जैसे एग्जिट तो हम एनी हाउ एट एनी टाइम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, क्या किसी स्ट्रेटजी का एंट्री भी कंट्रोल कर सकता है क्या एंड यूजर?
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, आप पॉज रखो ना स्ट्रेटेजी, वो एंट्री नहीं लेगा। जब आप पॉज को फिर से एक्टिव करोगे तो आपका एंट्री ले लेगा।
ओके, तो आप मॉर्निंग में उसको एक्टिव की बजाय पोस्ट स्टेट में रखो और फिर डे टाइम व्हेनेवर यू वांट
क्यों करना है, क्यों करने, अगर उसी को ही कंट्रोल करना होता तो मैं खुद नहीं कर देता, नहीं करने हो सर इतना। अगर
सर नॉलेज
just to answer your thing, I am saying it is possible, but you should not do, not recommended.
Correct, agree, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So the next question is Vinayak Hegde, VH. अरे बहुत दिनों के बाद. Yeah, please unmute and ask your question. Vinayak Hegde.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir. Please.
Sir, I have two questions. One question is related to IPE only. So, for example, you modified to 5,000 strategy level loss.
Okay.
Let's say
that
example.
was already there. That was already there. I have just lifted that 2,500 limit.
Correct. So what I tested Friday things only in stock market. Okay. And what I understood that, if you put a percentage level stop loss in any of the leg, whether call or put, then the probability of winning is more than losing. So, आप इसके बारे में थोड़ा सोचे हो क्या?
It is already there. Percentage wise stop loss is already there in. So see, there are two stop loss. So I just wanted to clarify that there are two stop loss. One is leg wise percentage stop loss that is already there in IP. So when first time आप जो लिखते हो ना, when you write in the group that IP put leg stop loss hit, correct? So at that time that was actually percentage wise leg stop loss, not the strategy stop loss. So even though leg stop loss will leg will exit or leg stop loss as per your term, so leg stop loss will hit, then also strategy can make profit. Then also strategy can make profit on trending days. Okay. But apart from this leg wise stop loss, there is second type of stop loss, that is strategy wise stop loss. So strategy wise stop loss, we have limited index parameter that if 2,500 will hit, then just exit the strategy. So that limitation I am lifting strategy wise 2,500 stop loss, because considering the amount of volatility right now, considering the Nifty and Bank Nifty's range right now, considering their premiums, hitting 2,500 loss is very easy. I would say just take the example of Friday. On Friday, if that 2,500 loss would not have been hit, so adjustments, whatever we have written, leg wise adjustments, what you told you have tested in stock market, so those leg level adjustment would have happened, and that would have pushed IP at least not full stop loss, it would have exited at minimum loss, which actually I got. So after lifting the strategy wise first stop loss of 2,500, I have modified. So we don't change directly in the running strategy. We always change in our. We create a copy and try to change to understand the impact. Some user has asked me, is there any probability of error? The answer is no, because the strategy has run in live mode. Okay, already. So it has given cost to cost exit. It was actually green also, but at the end, if you'll see on Friday also, the market moved up again after this candle. Okay, 225. If you'll see, Bank Nifty has moved from 39,4132. It has moved till 39,640. Okay, around 200 points up move it happened. Because of that, it became cost to cost. Otherwise, it was good amount of green PNL. Okay. So I hope I'm clear to you that there are two types of stop loss. Leg wise stop loss is still there.
Thank you, sir. And Mera another question hai. So for example, I'm running with the trio. Okay. And most of the time what I see is it's a run around 916 to 925, and sometimes it will take same strike price. And because of that, the loss is also more or less same. So is there any way that we can keep at least 10 minutes gap for each trio strategy and back test?
Yeah, I have already thought about it. Okay. So whenever I test any kind of strategy, I try in different time frame also. Which time frame will be better for our strategy? So the answer is within 5 minutes, if you are entering, always you will get more benefit. Okay, that is the simple answer. So that is why our strategies are running, means within 1 minute difference, we are entering all three strategies. Now, even though, so there are chances that within, like on Friday, we got all three different strikes. Okay, but there are many times if initial movements are not there, then all three strategies will get same strikes. Even though they will get same strikes, you might have seen many people are telling in the group, सर आईपी का लेग एडजस्टमेंट हो गया है, इंडेक्स वोलेटाइल वैक्सीन इज नॉट एग्जिटिंग. Otherwise, many times people were asking me that, sir, this thing IVB has adjusted early today, but IP is not exiting. Okay, many times you might have seen the messages. Now all legs of index alone survivor have been exited and strategy has no running position, but it is live entered, so that new legs will come. What I mean to say, in all three strategies, the adjustment logics are entirely different. Okay, so though they will get same strikes, adjustments will happen at different time. We cannot club all the adjustments in one strategy. So that is why we have created three similar strategies, but their adjustments will be different. So no need to worry. So there are adjustment diversification already there, and with 1 minute delay, there are chances that strike wise also diversification can happen, but not if same IP you are running at 3 instance, then definitely I would have recommended that one will run at 9:16, one will run at 9:29, one will run at 9:38, maybe 9-10 minutes delay. But since the three adjustment logics are different, so that is fine.
Okay sir. Sir, ये इंडेक्स मनी माइनर अवेलेबल है क्या अभी?
इंडेक्स मनी माइनर में लाऊंगा अगर आईपी 1-2 दिन ठीक ठाक चल रहा है विदाउट एनी इशू. सी एट ए टाइम मुझे पता है इशू नहीं होना चाहिए. ऑलरेडी आई रैन ऑन फ्राइडे. ओके, मल्टीपल टाइम्स मी एंड वन ऑफ माय टीममेट वी हैव रिव्यूड व्हाटएवर स्मॉल चेंजेस वी हैव डन, वी हैव रिव्यूड. ओके, सो थिंग्स शुड नॉट बी बैड. ओके, बट स्टिल अगर ये 1-2 दिन चल जाता है, then definitely by Wednesday or Thursday we will release index money miner also.
Okay sir, okay, thank you for the explanation.
Okay, thank you. So next question is Pritesh Saha. Please unmute and ask the question. Pritesh ji.
Good evening, Sitaram ji.
Good evening, sir.
Sitaram ji, just a couple of observations. Means yeah, it is true that more adjustment will lead to more cost, but जब high wicks environment है, so उसमें specifically you know means अगर जो adjustment थोड़ा सा means specifically कैसे कि reversal में हम लोग caught up हो रहे हैं and full SLs जा रहा है. So I think अपना जो पहले का वर्जन था उसमें थोड़े adjustments ज़्यादा हो रहे थे. तो adjustment से you know means थोड़ा अगर जो मीन्स उसमें अगर जो बढ़ता है और भले उसमें एडजस्टमेंट का कॉस्ट लगेगा, बट अगर जो ड्रॉ डाउन कंट्रोल होता है तो शुड वी नॉट लुक एट इट. एंड आई हैव वन मोर,
we'll bring a scalper for that. So who can afford that many number of trades, they should look at scalper. So we'll bring a scalper, but current version of the strategy is more optimized than the older version. ठीक है, तो इसको हम ज्यादा छेड़खानी नहीं करेंगे. विल नॉट चेंज टू द करंट आईपी स्ट्रेटेजी. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट वी विल ब्रिंग ए स्कल्पर वर्जन. तो हमारा स्कल्पर वर्जन जो आएगा वो भी टेस्टिंग फेज में. अगर ट्रेट्रॉन का बैक टेस्टिंग सही चल रहा होता तो शायद कल तक मैं स्कल्पर को रिलीज भी कर देता, पर क्योंकि उसका नहीं है इसलिए मैं रिलीज नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. बट आई वुड, सो दिस इज वन पॉइंट. सेकेंड पॉइंट आई विल टेल यू कि जरूरी नहीं है कि विक्स अगर ज्यादा है तो हमको, वॉलेटिलिटी ज्यादा है तो हमको लॉस मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. सो वी हैव टू डू मोर एडजस्टमेंट. ये बिल्कुल भी जरूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि कपल ऑफ डेज बिफोर आई हैव सेड मार्च मंथ डाटा where because of the FED meet similar kind of volatility we have seen, similar kind of premium spike we have seen, but still because of the premium erosion we were getting profit. What I mean to say, अगर हमको premium erosion मिल रहा है और सारे हमारी स्ट्रेटेजीज जिस तरीके से डिजाइन किए हुए हैं, थोड़ा सा 5% का लक फैक्टर भी चाहिए. ओके, थोड़ा सा 5% का लक फैक्टर अगर ऐड हो जाता है तभी जाके स्ट्रेटेजी परफॉर्म करके हमको प्रॉफिट देते हैं. तो वी हैव ऑपरेटेड आवर स्ट्रेटेजी इन February month, peak volatility, budget volatility, this war volatility. March month also similar kind of stuffs we have run, and March month was also 9 to 10% profit was there. Okay, so it is not always, volatility is not always directly proportional to loss. Okay, but definitely your point has been taken. With more adjustment, this can be manageable. Okay, so I would just as per the curiosity of the user, I'll show one fact in Finvesia. Okay, so in Finvesia, yeah, he has made it offline, but actually it was live auto in most of the cases, considering high premium rising. So he has made, so this is Puneet's account, it's one of my teammates account. So he is running in 1x, this Bank Nifty premium scalper. If you can see the counters are manageable. Okay, the counters are manageable in the sense it is generating profits. Okay, just give me a moment. Somebody is knocking my door. Okay, yeah. So counters are manageable in the sense, if you can see, देखो एक counter 1000 का loss गया, ये Friday के counters हैं. Okay, but 600 it is generating profit also. In between one more loss, but it is generating profit. It is minimizing the loss. What you can say. So on Friday, it resulted around 1200 profit, and on Wednesday. So these are all Wednesday counters. If you can see. 227 तक चला था, यूनिवर्सल एग्जिट लास्ट 227 तक चला था. If you count on Thursday, see 1005 is the loss, then 600 profit, another 600 profit, another 2000. So let's say 2800 loss now in 4 counters. Now again 200 loss, now 400 profit, 1000 profit, 1600 profit. Then this one 1200. All these 7 counters are from Thursday because the range was more. So 2700. So entirely 3400 profit in 1x, means 1.9 lakhs में 3400 का profit आया था over 7 counters in premium, this premium scalper. So our strategy is ready. We are running since last 2 weeks, but still to get a holistic picture, a broader picture पाने के लिए हमको broader data भी चाहिए. Because of that limitation, we are not publishing this strategy. Otherwise, the strategy, Bank Nifty premium scalper strategy is ready. Okay, and in this volatility also in Thursday and Friday, it has generated 2.5% ROI. Okay, means profit 2.5%. Yes, I agree. There are around 13 counters. So definitely 13 counters मतलब 2 2 4 52 trades, 26 trade, total 52 trades happened in 13 counters. एक एक काउंटर में 4 ट्रेड्स पड़ते हैं, 2 ट्रेड सेलिंग के, 2 ट्रेड बाइंग के. ओके, सो टोटल 52 ट्रेड्स, बट इन 52 ट्रेड्स इट हैज जनरेटेड आल्सो 2.3% प्रॉफिट. ओके, सो आईपी को चेंज नहीं करेंगे, स्कैल्पर वाला स्ट्रेटजी आने वाला है. ओके, सो दैट्स इट. पीके पारिक सर, आपने फिर से रेज किया है. प्लीज आप, अगर आप अनम्यूट करके आंसर क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो तो पूछिए. Otherwise, we can close our session. That's it from my end actually. So just to summarize, I have explained what was the reason of drawdown, how a drawdown cycle works, what we should do after the drawdown, to handle drawdown and to optimize IP, what we have done. So all those things and question answer. So these are the 6-7 topics we have covered. We have recorded the session. We'll upload this in YouTube for your future reference also. Okay. So it was a nice time, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Thanks for all of your time and patience. Hopefully we'll see a positive week ahead. That's what I can wish. Thank you very much.